Hey, stop right there. Face the wall. Face the wall. Cut her off.
Hello, I'm Captain Stacy Spell of Media Relations Division of the Los Angeles Police Department. And I'm going to give you a brief overview of an incident that occurred on October 23, 2020, around 2:20 p.m. Central Division officers responded to the area of 11th Street and Main Street due to citizens reporting an armed robbery suspect. The suspect was later identified as 30-year-old Linda Vanessa Nunez. Here are the multiple radio calls for service.
Yes, hi. We got a phone call in regards to a female white adult. She has a gun with her, using it to take merchandise from merchants in the area. What's the address? We got the call from 1108 Santee, but the subject is currently off of Los Angeles.
Hold on. Where are you calling from then, if you're not there? Are you security or alarm company?
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I'm calling from the Los Angeles Fashion District security bid.
Okay, so at 1108 South Santee, there's a female white with a gun?
Currently, the subject is off of Los Angeles and 12th Street by the church. I got one of my guys on a light, keeping obs on her.
Los Angeles
before we
and
make
12th,
contact.
12 by the church?
Yes, correct.
And what is she wearing? What color shirt and pants?
She's a female white with black hair. She has a beige short dress on.
What color is the gun?
One moment.
You said
She's
LA
currently going
security?
north on LA, approaching 11th Street, and hold on that gun. I got my radio traffic. I'm busy right now.
Okay. Hold on, let me put it out. Stay on the line. Don't hang up, okay?
Gotcha.
Central Unit 30W
Copy.
suspect there now, 1108
Hello?
Santee Street. Hold on 1 second. 1108 Santee Street, suspect last seen northbound on Los Angeles towards 11th by the church. Suspect is a female white black hair beige short dress armed with a gun. Code 3 incident 2568 RD 185. Central Units, your 80W suspect at 1108 South Santee Avenue is now a 211 suspect there now. Suspect used unknown color gun to take items from multiple stores at Santee location. Last seen northbound on Los Angeles towards 11th by the church. Female white, black hair, beige, short dress. Additional incident 2568.
When the officers arrived in the area, they located Nunez. They requested backup and attempted to make a pedestrian stop on Main Street, just north of 11th Street. As the officers initiated their stop, Nunez turned around while holding a semi-automatic pistol and fired 2 rounds at the officers, which resulted in an officer-involved shooting. Nunez then dropped her pistol and ran into a retail store. Within minutes, Nunez surrendered and exited the store with her hands up, at which time she was taken into custody without further incident.
Should ever. Where's she at? Okay.
That's a girl? 1-800-918-11 your 211 suspect at 1108 Santee suspect now walking westbound on 11th towards Main. Additional incident 2568.
Z43, we're going to be on that suspect, 11th and Main. Let me get a backup. Stop right here. Hey, stop right there. Face the wall. Face the wall. Cut her off. Shots fired. Officer needs help. 11th and Main. Suspect went in at 1053 South Main Street. Female Hispanic. Beige dress. Hey, get a shotgun, partner.
Officer needs help. 11th and Main. Officer needs help. 11th and Main. Any area coming off Central Frequency. Central Frequency. 1035.
Yeah, I shot 3 shots, partner. Hey, man, get away from here. Get back. Hey. Hey, she went in that building right here. That's her right there. That's her right there.
Face away! Walk back to the side of my voice! Keep coming back! 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 Stop! Come down to the ground! Hands off to your side! Lay down on the ground!
Get on your stomach now!
Lay down on the ground! Hands off to your side!
Hands to your side! Hands to your side now!
Put your hands to your side!
Hey partner, let's redeploy this way. I'm coming behind you, partner. I'm coming over.
Let me know. I'm on point. You got point? On point. Hey, get me to get less lethal.
I'll be arrested.
All right.
Let's start making our approach.
All right. Hey, go. I got taser. Go. I got less lethal. Let's go.
Hey, hands to your side now. Hands to your side now.
All right. Hey, you guys, I'm gonna go hands on. All right.
Go ahead.
Have yourself a call.
You okay, brother?
I'm good.
Suspect is being brought down.
Hey, Arctic goes over here. Arctic goes right there.
Hey, let me go check the...
Yay. Take down range, partner. Hey, leave it there. Don't touch it. No, it was just one. Hey, stop right there. Face the wall. Face the wall. Shots fired, officer. Needs help. 11th and Main.
She's shooting. Shots fired. Hold up. Shots fired. Hey, you got enough?
We got a hostage.
Hey, did it make it a help call yet?
Making a help. Yeah, they got it. Hey, get the shotgun.
Get the shotgun.
Get the shotgun.
11th and Main, officer needs help. 11th and Main.
Hey, let's have units respond southbound Main.
Hey, 10.
No, turn around.
1 FP5, gonna be at 1053 South Main Street. We got a barricaded suspect. Let me get a perimeter.
No, go the other way.
Hey, the edge is gonna be 1053 South Main. Start getting corned off. Come on with your hands up. It's gonna be the. Come on with your hands up. Face away from me. Face away.
Face away, get on the ground.
Hands behind your head. Walk back to the sound of my voice. Keep coming back. 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 Stop. Stop. Come down to the ground. Hands off to your side. Lay down on the ground.
Get on your stomach now.
Lay down on the ground. Hands off to your side. Don't move. Hey.
You have a shield? No.
Hands to your side now.
Put your hands to the side. Hey. Hey guys, let's get a team.
All right, you guys ready for making our approach at the same time, all right?
Hey, let me know.
I'm on point.
You got point?
I'm on point.
Hey, get me to get less lethal.
I'll be arrested.
All right.
All right, let's start making our approach.
All right. Hey, go. I got taser. Go. I got less lethal. Hey, cousin. You killed my kids, you know? Hey, let me go check the...
The incident was also captured on business surveillance cameras. Nunez was not struck by the officer's gunfire. The Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded to the scene and treated Nunez for minor injuries, and she was later booked. Fortunately, no officers were struck by gunfire. The police officer's patrol unit was struck by gunfire. The loaded 9mm Glock Model 19 semi-automatic pistol used by Nunez was recovered from the scene. On October 27, 2020, the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office filed the following counts against Nunez. 2 counts of attempted murder of a peace officer, 1 count of second-degree robbery, 1 count of attempted second-degree robbery, 1 count of ADW with a firearm, 1 count of possession of a firearm by prohibited possessor. Linda Vanessa Nunez is a 30-year-old resident of Los Angeles.